Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to give you a quick guide to account setup and creating an email campaign with MailerLite. MailerLite is an email marketing solution designed for businesses of all sizes. It is not just an ordinary tool, it is a comprehensive solution that transforms your email marketing process, making it more manageable and effective. The platform has features catering to each aspect of the email campaign, from email design and contact management to automation and analytics. MailerLite's primary charm lies in its simplicity and ease of use. You don't need to be a tech wizard or harness its power. Its user-friendly interface ensures that anyone can create and manage powerful email campaigns. The platform features a drag-and-drop email builder that simplifies the creation of professional and visually appealing emails. Regardless of your technical proficiency, you can design stunning emails that align with your brand identity. It has comprehensive feature set, data-driven insights. In addition to its rich features, MailerLite offers competitive pricing, making it an excellent option for businesses on a tight budget. You can start for free and upgrade to a paid plan as your subscriber base grows. In this video, we'll cover all things from your initial account setup and importing your contact list, all the way through to creating and sending your first email campaign. So, let's dive in and start discovering the full potential of MailerLite together. First step is creating your MailerLite account. Luckily, setting up your MailerLite account is an absolute breeze. All you need to do is head to the MailerLite homepage and you will find not one but two sign-up buttons, one in the top right-hand corner and the other in the middle of the screen. Once you click on the button you choose, you'll be taken to a sign-up page where you can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account, which is usually the easiest way to sign up, but for this tutorial, we'll choose the email sign-up option. You'll be asked to fill out the following information: your company name, your full name, your email address, and password. Once you're done filling out this information, click the Create My Account button, and from here, you'll receive a verification email in your inbox. MailerLite will promptly send you a verification email to confirm your identity. The second step is setting up your preferences. Now, let's fine-tune your MailerLite preferences. Depending on the information you choose to enter, you'll need to complete a few more steps, including entering your company address and selecting the features that interest you. You can choose like campaigns, forms, websites, automation, and transactional emails. This part is up to you. You can choose the option that aligns with your business needs. Feel free to select all of them if they are relevant to you. Next, you'll be asked where you have any existing subscribers. This simply means whether you'd like to import an email list. If you don't have any contacts yet, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to build your contact list. Then finally, you'll be asked about your experience with email marketing services, whether you sell digital products or services online. Also, about your experience with website builders. Third step, welcome to the MailerLite dashboard. Now that you've completed the initial setup and your account has been approved, you'll be able to enter your very own MailerLite dashboard. This user-friendly interface will serve as your control center, allowing you to manage email campaigns, subscribers, and more with ease. So it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it before we start. Step 4. Creating subscriber groups. Next up, let's organize your contacts. This part is crucial for targeted email marketing and general list by hygiene. To create subscriber groups, head over to the Subscribers tab in the top menu and click on Groups. You can start by choosing a group name that differentiates these users, such as customers. Then, within the Subscriber tab, click on the button in the right-hand corner that says Add Subscribers. You can upload your contacts using the following methods: importing from a CSV file, copying and pasting from Excel, or manually adding a single subscriber. Step 5. Designing your sign-up form. Capturing email addresses from your website visitors is essential. Building a strong email list. Click on the Forms tab in the top of the menu to get started. You have two options here: create a pop-up form or an embedded form. In case you are unsure of what these forms look like and the difference between the two, here's a quick explanation. A pop-up form is exactly what it says on the tin. Imagine you are scrolling through your favorite clothing website and suddenly you are presented with a pop-up window asking you to provide your email address to receive a special discount. Here's an example. And an embedded form is the one that is fixed within the site. You may find it when you scroll to the bottom of the page, prompting you to sign up to their newsletter or similar. For this tutorial, let's choose a pop-up form. First, give it a name. For internal use, this won't be visible to subscribers. Then, select the user group you want to target. Then, pick a form template from MailerLite's collection of free, customizable templates. When your design is ready, you can set user behavior settings, like displaying the pop-up after a certain time or when the visitor scrolls down the page. Once everything looks good, simply copy and paste the JavaScript provided and add the code onto your website, or use the dedicated plugins for WordPress or Shopify, for example. And now you can watch your contact list grow. Step 6. Crafting your first email campaign. Now comes to the exciting part: creating your first email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the top menu and then select Create Campaign. MailerLite offers various campaign types, including regular emails like newsletters, A/B split campaigns, auto-resend, and RSS campaigns. For this MailerLite tutorial, we'll go with a regular campaign. Here, you'll need to fill in the following: your campaign name, your subject, sender, this is who your campaign is being sent from, pre-header, which you can use this to give your users an idea of what the campaign is about, recipients, select the email list, and last but not least, select the language, and please note that this is only for the unsubscribe page. Next, it's time to choose a template for your email. MailerLite provides nearly 100 email templates for you to choose from during your trial period. However, please note that these templates are unavailable on the forever free plan. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to unleash your creativity. MailerLite's drag and drop editor makes it easy to add images, texts, buttons, and more. Play around with different layouts, colors, and fonts until you're satisfied with the look and feel of your email campaign. The 7th step and the last one is to test and send your first campaign. Once you've crafted an email campaign that you are proud of, hit Done. It's finally time to send your first email campaign. Before sending, we recommend sending a free test preview to your inbox to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with the final result, choose either Send Now, Send Later, or based on time zones under Schedule your campaign. You can select which one suits your needs depending on your audience, the time zone, and the current time. There you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on setting up your MailerLite account and creating an email campaign like a pro email marketer. We hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with MailerLite. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you did. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one for more MailerLite tutorials. Bye for now.